Drug major Roche India on Monday announced the launch of its first batch of antibody cocktail against COVID-19 in India. The antibody cocktail Casirivimab and Imdevimab is priced at Rs 59,750 per dose. Roche's antibody cocktail was given to former US President Donald Trump when he contracted COVID-19 last year. In a statement, the company said each of the 1,200 mg dose of the drug contains 600 mg of Casirivimab and 600 mg of Imdevimab. The price of each dose will be Rs 59,750. The maximum retail price for the multi-dose pack will be Rs 1,19,500. Notably, each pack can treat 2 patients. The drug will be marketed in India by Cipla and the second batch will be made available by mid-June. The drug will be available through leading hospitals and COVID treatment centers. The Central Drugs Standards Control Organization had recently provided an emergency use authorization for the antibody cocktail in India. Earlier, it has also received a EUA, that is Emergency Use Authorization, in the US and several European Union countries. The antibody cocktail is to be administered for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 in adults and pediatric patients who are 12 years of age or older, weighing at least 40 kg. The patients should be ones who are confirmed to be infected with SARS-CoV-2 and who are at high risk of developing severe COVID-19 disease and do not require oxygen. The cocktail drug has been shown to help these high-risk patients before their condition worsens, reducing the risk of hospitalization and fatality by 70%. Antibody cocktail can be administered intravenous and subcutaneous, that is under the skin, as an injection. In case of subcutaneous injection, 4 spots in the body will be needed where these injections can be given. Once the RT-PCR test returns positive for COVID-19, the patient could go to a facility where antibody cocktail is being administered. The drugs Casirivimab and Imdevimab are mixed just before antibody cocktail is administered. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for antibody cocktail to be administered. The patient will then be monitored for 1 hour to check for any reaction. When asked about the cost of antibody cocktail, an expert said it was priced steeply, but compared to the cost of hospitalization and to prevent severe infection or death, it was worth the cost. We have been appealing to the companies to reduce the cost. Over the course of time, the price will also come down, he added. News Desk, Kaumudy, English.